Following segment is sponsored by Priceline. The holiday and winter travel season is just around the corner, so now is the time to start thinking about where you want to go, what you want to experience, and most importantly, how to find the best price. Joining us now to discuss is travel host and polyglot Jo Franco. Welcome, Jo. Nice to see you.
Thank you so much for having me to talk about the best topic, travel. It's so fun.
Absolutely. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to chat with you. 'Tis the season for travel. You have some great, you're going to talk about some of the top destinations for winter and holiday travel this year. So tell us all about these destinations.
Yeah, so according to Priceline data, here's the scoop. We have the top 3 destinations in the U.S. It's New York City because it's always going to be iconic. You see the holiday movies, those moments with hot chocolate and Central Park and the window displays, Broadway shows. It's always going to be a personal favorite, but this year it's definitely going to be a top destination, New York City. Then you have Las Vegas, which I'm personally excited about because if you can imagine Vegas with even more lights and even more energy, that's what you're going to get if you're heading to Vegas for the holidays. And third up, you have Los Angeles. And I think Los Angeles is one of those places you go if you have a lot of people with different likes, because you have everything there. You have the sun, you have the beach, you have the mountains, you have the city. And I think it's a well-rounded, sunny destination for a SoCal holiday experience.
Totally. I love that those cities are all so different, something for everyone. Do you have any tips to really help take the stress out of holiday travel planning?
Yeah, I know. I just always want to take a deep breath because travel booking is stressful. But Priceline is rolling out a suite of intelligent tools to mitigate this stress. Some of my favorite tools are the top 2 tools, honestly, that you got to have on your radar. The rebook tool, which allows you to quickly rebook any flights that you need to change or move because of cancellations. You know, the holiday travels comes with weather and things happen. You're booking flights for many people. The rebook tool will prevent you from having a million tabs open and calling all the different airlines. So that's a game changer, definitely a stress saver. And then the second tool is Penny, which is Priceline's chatbot. It's an artificial intelligence tool where you can have a conversation and have actual questions be answered based on your needs. So you could say things like, oh, I'm a family of 5. We're looking for a holiday menu near the hotel. Do you have any recommendations? Or I'm looking for this hotel in Salt Lake City, or, you know, taking a trip up the mountains. And you could book directly through the chatbot. And that's where travel is evolving quicker than we all expected. Like, the future is here when it comes to travel, and it's for free on Priceline using Penny.
So cool. Okay, great. Well, we got the destinations, we got the tools. Let's talk deals. Are there any deals that travelers should be aware of before planning their next trip?
Yes, so many deals. I'm so excited about these because when you save on travel, you're actually going to find yourself in places that you maybe never thought you'd go. And that's the beauty of these deals. So starting November 6th, you're going to get up to 30% off on Priceline for up to 80 different countries. So as far as hotels go, so that means you could be staying in many different places that you never imagined you'd go. And that's just the general Black Friday sale, which is already amazing. But then if you sign up for the Priceline newsletter, you're going to be receiving a mystery coupon. And it's a mystery because you don't know how much you're going to get off. So you could get up to 99% off and add it to an express deal, which is already a discounted price. So you're going to have a deal on a deal for the ultimate deal.
Jo, you are speaking my language. I love all these opportunities for great deals. Thank you so much. And where can we go for more information?
For more info, you can go to Priceline.com or download the Priceline app, which is a guilty pleasure of mine. I am trip scrolling to the wee hours of the night because those deals are too good. I got to pre-plan, you know?
I love it. You and I are the same that way. Well, thank you so much. It's been great having you on, Jo.
Thank you so much. Happy travels.
You too.